I'm going to show you guys how to use these really long baby wraps that you guys probably see all over the stores. I know that they can be intimidating, but once you get the hang of it, they're actually really comfortable to use, and I'm going to show you how to do it. The easiest way to do it is to find the center, and most brands do a really good job of putting their logo right in the middle so that you know exactly where to start. So what you're going to do is take the center and literally wrap it like this as if it would be a belt. And I'm going to show you from the back. You're going to do a little crisscross on it. You're going to bring one side over one shoulder and the other side over the other shoulder. Once you have them over your shoulders, you're going to take both straps and you're going to tuck it. Once you have them inserted here, you're going to spread it out, and this is going to give you a lot more support. And you're gonna do a little crisscross applesauce, as I say to Sebastian. So you crossed it over, and then you're gonna start to straighten this one out. Once you have this crossed over, again, you're gonna go behind your back again, and you're gonna tie it. This is gonna be your support system right here. Once it's tied, that's when you start to straighten everything out so that you can get ready. I have one strap over this shoulder, I have another strap here, it's crisscross, and then I have the support system down here. So I'm ready to put the baby in. I'm gonna make a little bit of room right here and put the baby in right over here. Baby, please. Hi, love bug. Okay, so I'm gonna hold her from the butt. I'm gonna put her in here. I know, but you're gonna love it in just a minute. Okay, let's put both feet in. There we go. And what I'm gonna do is have her leg come out from over here and then pull this up to support her. And I'm gonna pull the other side up to support this side. And usually they recommend going over the shoulder. And then now, my bigger support strap, I'm gonna put both toesies inside and pull this all the way up, and we have a little happy baby right over here. Sometimes if it's cold or if they're sleeping and you want a little bit more coverage, you can actually pull this up from behind their head so it feels like they're in a little cocoon. And then usually I would say just kind of turn their head to the side so that they have some breathing room. And the nice thing is, fully supported, I don't feel like the baby's gonna fall out. And it's another way to kind of bond with the baby and have them close to you.